Function: straight gluing, curved gluing, straight trimming, straight polishing, and pneumatic end cutting. Automatic edge banding, heating and powerful cutting cylinder. Top and bottom trimming and polishing. Pneumatic end cutting and dust collector with EB-505A model. Press the board tightly against the machine, pushing the board at a consistent speed, until gluing, trimming, and polishing are complete. Pneumatic end cutting. Simply rotate gluing device to start curved gluing. Place the board tightly against the red roller and let it rotate along with the roller to complete the curved gluing. Real effect without any modification.